video. Here's the interior. I've got this coming, and I know that that's available. One of the handles are broken. Here's some of the interior on this. It's got a the dome lights will work. Nice seats though, and these all recline. And yeah, there's some stuff on this. Yeah, this could be yours if the price is right.
Saw your car the other day.
My 57?
Yeah.
Where's it at? Probably. The guy has a frame. He's working on the suspension now.
Yeah, Sean.
Sean, you know Sean?
Yeah.
Well, he's on the way to SEMA, I guess.
Yeah.
So we're all kind of, nothing's gonna get done now. He's a wild guy, isn't he?
Yeah. He's a good TIG welder.
But
right?
man, he's very creative, and he's got some he does great welding.
He did the radiator on my MG.
Really?
Yeah.
He built the whole thing?
Yeah.
His what do they call it? Nitro Cool Ranch.
Well, no, radiator lady.
Oh, the radiator lady. Yeah. He bought that Rambler back.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be funny, and that's what gave me the idea. So the straight axle we're designing is a bolt-in, the first ever bolt-in straight axle for 5, 6, and 7s. So that's going to be this could be in your garage tomorrow. So it's going to be interesting to see how that
I like his Diamond T truck.
Oh yeah, I have that up for sale. I had a buyer, but he wants too much for it.
How did you know about that truck?
The Diamond T with the Tornado front end?
Yeah. I know everything.
You walk up that truck and you see it's a solid frame and then 2 coaster axles.
Well, Sean, the owner of that, built my radiator for my MG.
Did he?
Yeah.
Then it's a big
Bell catcher. Dodge. I think I did that before. I do like these All-Americans on this. Original Americans. T-Bird is always good looking. It reminds me, I used to have a neighbor who had a T-Bird. I used to wash their car about once a month. I made 15 bucks doing it, and I made that thing shine. I was really, I think they gave me a $5 tip once, and I was just that was all the money in the world back in the day. Look at this. Real wires. Oh, maybe else those. This be a hard piece to find, huh?
Yeah, I think they called it a Capri cab.
And I remember when I used to wash one of these, how that steering wheel moved out of the way. It was so nice because I could get to the dash. And
I didn't even know they did that.
when cars were cars. Roscoe telling our stories.
I had it one time 15.
This is Volkswagen. He's been out here with this.
Well, that's it's been out with us even at the panel in the back. It's complete, man. It's all 64.
I got stuff in injection on there.
This is the last year of the solar and the last year of the stuff. Yeah, remember 65 that was the problem.
Painted inside the bumper.
And this is the first
I remember when a body shop teacher was telling me how to do that. Painted the exhaust.
Yeah, 65 at 64 last year was the short window and the first year of the hard custom. In 65,
Not all ground.
So that's probably why this rolls down, because you get the later ones taller. Yeah, this right here. See how this rolls down?
and then
Look at
63
later.
would have been a rag top.
Thought I could see.
Yeah, I knew somebody had a 61 had a rack top.
Yeah, this wasn't invented yet.
Yeah. I remember somebody had
So this is a one-year car.
Oh, so it's a 1-year car. It's like a 67 year.
So it's restored the whole thing in my garage, year and a half.
This?
Yeah, I did all.
You did the pants too?
I didn't do the panels. No, the panels my buddy did because he's a better welder than I did. But it was Grand Element Garage. We didn't need to do panels.
The pans?
No, we did. I have them here.
So, but where the battery box is, excuse me, the battery box is,
That's all good.
it's all good,
All
huh?
right there. Do you have Instagram?
No.
Okay. Well, if you did, you could see everything.
Yeah, no.
Here's the. Here's what the. Here, we'll do it here. Here's what the. Let me go all the way to the bottom.
Oh, there's a bottom. Go back to that bottom.
That's all.
Oh God.
Where is it?
You know, he spent all of his time on.
Yeah. There we go. Let me go to the bottom because that's where the restoration started. Yeah, I documented all the restoration on Instagram, so whoever buys it, they could see everything it did. But the
What are you asking for it?
25. There you go. Okay, so I had those rust holes. We
Yeah.
kept the original rails.
Yeah.
They got cut out completely.
Okay.
And then we ended up with the Wolfberg metal
Yeah, you got the half pants.
sealed. But I didn't use the whole thing. I kept the
Yeah,
rails.
right. We did the same thing.
Yep. There's all the heads.
Yeah, that's good.
There's the pistons that I'll go read.
Oh, so it's a 18,
1600.
1600?
No, this thing is all. Well, you saw. I think you filmed it last time with the undercarriage. It's
Yeah.
still the same. I got 8
Yeah.
miles as restoration.
Yeah. Okay.
If you go to Instagram, I mean, I have a full history.
Yeah. Now, did you redo the tank too, huh?
It was the original tank. It just was
Okay.
already painted. The paint's actually 20 years old. I color sanded and buffed it myself.
Wow. Way to save it.
Yeah, it's not original. It's got its little here and there nicks and knacks, but
Yeah. Oh, that's a cool looking
yeah, it's all there.
car.
I restored the whole dash, the instruments, everything.
Yeah.
The steering wheel.
Yeah, I loved their seats back then. Now this didn't have the auxiliary tank on it, right?
No.
Yeah. Okay.
The newer one, because this has a fuel gauge.
Okay.
The other
Okay.
one had the
Well, my dad had a 61 with that fuel gauge.
That's because it had no fuel gauge. It had the reserve, remember?
Yeah.
So it's a 67. 64.
What year was Chris? 65?
64.
64 with something.
My son's got a 65.
And you got
One
this.
right there on Horsetown. That lady's got a 64 without a sunroof.
Who did the motor?
JCS Volkswagen. We dumped it out. I even have a video on that thing. We dyno tested it twice.
Really?
Yeah, we ran the short block by I ran the short block first. He's in Irwindale. Let me see if I can show you.
That was that guy.
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
So we did.
All right. How you?
So it's a shitty video because he's the one that sent it to me. But this is back when he was just the long block running. He's just showing you on his dyno bench all the gauges that everything's running.
Okay.
So he did that, and then once I brought it home, I put all the accessories together, and then he sends me that video of it running with all its guts. Tuned carburetor, fuel pump, everything's dialed in.
Cool.
It even has a 1-year warranty.
Yeah. Well, he's a Volkswagen guy. He knows.
Yeah.
And I always tell a Volkswagen guy, but right here.
I try to keep.
looking at